This is a demo video for our project, which is known as NeuroNest, a smart home security system using facial recognition. Here is its GitHub repository, and you can see here all the documentation are written. And to install it, it's a very simple process. Just first clone the repository, install the requirement files, and just you need to update this env file, this one. If you go there, you need to update according to your requirements. First comes the sender email part, which is used to send the email to the respective users, and here is its password application. You can create its password application for the email and write that password here, and don't share it publicly. This password is very crucial here. Then comes the, by default, our system will create a super admin. So for that you need to give the super admin details here. So these are the details we require. So these are the environmental variables. You need to update them before running the system. And finally, after updating the file, just run the application and you are good to go. So let's start with the demonstration part. So this is our first index page. So let's start with creating a new user. I am going to sign up page. You need to fill in the details. I am filling it. Now after that we need to give our facial data to it. So just click on start collection and it will start collecting it. For this we are collecting 300 images. So it will, you can see, as you can see, the counter is counting and collecting 300 images. So it will just take a couple of seconds to collect these images. So we can wait here. Now you can see within seconds it had collected the 300 images and saved it in the background. Now the next part comes is to move dashboard, and we have created a new user for the system. So this is our main dashboard for the system. You can see the registered members. These are the 5 family members which we have registered. The last login, security status. Next comes the face recognition part, where we can recognize and take entry into the system. Next is alerts, where there all the alerts will be shown. Logs, where all the logs will be shown. And this is the important part. Here we can register our family members. Just give family members name, what are his relation, and click on start. It will start collecting the same way it had collected our data, and we can add and even remove the family members here. Next is settings. In the settings we can change our name. We can't change email, okay, but we can change our details like phone number and name. Next is customer care, where we can send any messages like general feedback. Okay, so let's start with this part first. So for face recognition, I'm scanning it. It will take 5 seconds to scan the face and grant the access. If it sees it's an unauthorized member, then it will show an alert. And if see, as you can see, it is welcoming me and granting access. All this part goes as logs. As you can see, I have given access, and at which time, at which date, and which location I have taken the entry. It is showing all these things. Now the first part comes is, if I show it my any photo like this, then it will recognize it that it is a spoof. So our system not only recognizes different persons, it also recognizes the difference between a photo and a real person. As you can see, it has detected it's a spoof, so it will not give an entry to it. So if I am unable to enter in the system, we have alternate options too. That is using OTP. Just send it. If I click on it, it will just send an OTP to the system, and I can take entry using alternate options too. But let's see what happens if I unauthorized user try to enter into the system. Let's just after creating trigger an alarm and it will lock the system automatically. If you want to access then we need to log out and log in again until it will stay locked. Moreover, it will send an email to us stating uh, about the security has been breached. As you can see, it has sent an alarm with the intruder photos in it, and it will in the alert section also I can see and spoof have been detected. I can resolve it. So this is all about the user section where we can see our logs, alerts, family members, adding family members, settings, and then the customer care. So this is about the all about user dashboard. Now let's move to the admin dashboard. So first I need to log out the system, and now I need to enter the login details. So now we have moving to the admin panel. Yes. So with the correct email and the correct password, I have logged into the admin panel. Now you can see here it shows the total users which are registered in the system. New users which are new this week are shown here, and the admin role. So there are two roles as an admin: super admin and normal admin. We can talk about the responsibilities of each later. So next comes the manage user, where and all the admins can manage the users. We can disable any user from here like this. So what happens if I disable a user? So after disabling a user, he will unable to log in into the system. This feature is useful if I don't want to delete a user, but I want to disable it for some amount of time, or even we can delete that user from here. Next comes the user queries part. So here we can see all the queries given by the user. So if I click on view, I can see the message, and even I can reply now here only. It is sending the email, and I have replied. So after replying, it goes from unseen status to in progress status. And if I think this query is being resolved, I can click on mark as resolved, and it will goes into a resolved status now. And according to it, a graph will change. Like now comes the send email part. It's simply sending emails to the users. We can select all users, all admin, all resident, yeah, for specific users to which we need to send the email in bulk. This page is mainly sending emails in bulk. Next comes the create admin. Now from this page we can create more admin. I have already told you by default it will create a super admin. Okay, now what if I want to create more admins? For this we just need to enter the username, email, phone number, and role. So if I show how to create an email, first I need a delete an email. Let's say I deleted this user because I need that email to create a new admin. So I have deleted a user. Now I just need to give the username, user email, user phone number. Let's say gives anything, and the role. What role I need to give? A super admin like myself, or a normal admin? Let's give a normal admin and click on create admin. As soon as I click on create admin, it will start creating an admin, and it will send an admin details to the created admin. Next comes the log where we can see what task we have done, all the logs done by us, and the same as the settings. Let's go to the email and see what email we have get. As you can see here, welcome to NeuroNest admin access. As you can see, it has sent us the temporary password and email. So first let's log out to the system, and now let's, with this email and password, let's try to log in into the system. Okay. Now, as we have mm, pasted these emails and passwords, you can see now a new admin is created. Its role is not a super admin, it's a normal admin. That's why it is showing just admin here. Now, here comes the hierarchy part. As you can see, here is no create admin tab here because only a super admin can create other admins. A normal admin don't have the power to create other admins. That's why you can see there is no create admin tag here. Moreover, a super admin can only delete user accounts. A normal admin can't delete a user account. He can just disable any user account. So you can see there is no delete option here too. Okay, so this is the hierarchy for the system. First comes the super admin, then comes the normal admin, and at the end the normal customers. The query part is same as the super admin. Send email part is also same, logs also same, even the settings is same. But just there is no create admin tab in the normal admin. So this is our complete project. I have shown the user dashboard as well as the admin dashboard, and this is our team who have created. We are the students of Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. We have created this project under the guidance of Ms. Rashi ma'am, and this is our team. Thank you.